Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter kinematics part 10. In this part we will solve some problems based on acceleration and first we will see some hints on solving the problems of the topic. So, hint number 1 is that if a body starts from rest, then it is its initial velocity will be 0. Second is if a body is brought to rest, so the velocity means final velocity will be equal to 0. Third is if a body moves with uniform velocity, so its acceleration will be 0. Fourth is for a body thrown upwards, it's at the highest point, its final velocity will be 0. Fifth is if a body is dropped from certain height, u means its initial velocity will be 0. Now we will solve one question based. So the question is, a car is moving at 36 km per hour speed up to 54 km per hour in 5 seconds. Assume that it moves in a fixed direction with uniform acceleration and find its acceleration in meter per second square. So given is that the car is moving at 36 km per hour, means its initial point is, its u is 36 km per hour. Next point is speed up to 54 km per hour, means its final point v is equal to 54 km per hour, and the time is given 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Assume that it moves in a fixed direction with uniform acceleration. Find its acceleration in meter per second square. So we have to find its acceleration. What is acceleration? We know the formula. First formula is velocity is equal to u plus at. We can do transposition and form a formula for acceleration, and it will be v minus u upon t is equal to a. Now we can solve it, but we can't put directly the values because they have said to bring the answer in meter per second square, and these units are not equal. This is second, this is kilometer per hour, and this is 36 km per hour. So first we will convert 36 km per hour and 54 km per hour to meter per second square. So for converting, there is a formula. First we will convert u, that is 36 multiplied by 5 upon 18. By the formula, we will always multiply 5 upon 18 in them. So 18 ones are 18, 2s are 36. 2 into 5 is 10 meter per second square. Sorry, 10 meter per second. And the second one is V is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. So we will multiply 54 by 5 by 18 as per to the formula. Here 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry 2 7s are 14, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 5 into 3 is 15 meter per second. Now we have converted them. Now we can put values. So acceleration will be equal to final velocity, that is v, and v is 15 meter per second, minus, as it is, u is initial velocity, that is 10 meter per second, upon time. We already know it is in the form of seconds, so it will be 5 seconds as it is. A 15 minus 10 will be 5 meter per second upon 5 seconds. Nothing is there under 5, so it will become 1. It will transpose and it will get like this. 5 seconds. 5 ones are 5 ones are. And the answer will become 1 meter per second minus square. Because when there is second upon 1, it will be second raised to 1, but when there is the transposition 1 upon second, so it will be second raised to minus 1. So by that formula, it will become meter per second into second raised to minus 1, and finally it will become meter per second minus square, as given in the question that we want the answer in meter per second square. So this is the final answer. I hope you have understood these questions. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. As this is the 8th foundation course, we have covered the 7th class foundation, and links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood the question, how to solve them. Thank you for watching.